Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you haven't been here before. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of a couple and let you guys know about a couple of subscription boxes that you may or may not even know about. The first one is Fleek. Fleek is a subscription of earrings that you get every month. And so I just subscribed to it because it is literally the cheapest subscription box that I think, or it's a bag actually, but the cheapest one that I've ever subscribed to, for $3.49 period, no shipping, no tax. You get one pair of earrings per month. You can choose the type of earrings that you would like to have. I chose boho because that's my style. You can choose minimalist, you can choose fun, or you can choose random, where they'll just pick one for you. Well, they do pick one for you, but pick one out of those three styles. So this is my first little bag. It's hard to do with one hand, sorry. But this is what I got. And it comes in a cute little, hot pink bag like Ipsy used to use, and then it comes in this little bag. And I think it's really, I don't know how they do it for so cheap. I really don't, but I love these. They're wooden. Let me see if I can open them. Probably not. The earrings. And as you can see, they're simple, but they're boho. Little fish hooks. I really like them. They're lightweight, can go with anything. Yep, I really like them. Well worth $3.49 total. They also have a Premier Club. The Premier Club is, the earrings are more high end. They're a value of up to $25. And the Premier Club is $9.93 a month. I will have a link to the subscription, and if you do use my link to sign up, you'll get $1.75 off of your first subscription package. The second one that you may or may not know about is Walmart. Walmart has a beauty box, and Walmart's beauty box is $6.98 plus tax and free shipping. Now, let me show you what I got. I've gotten these in the past, but they've gotten better lately, because this one is really cool. If I can get the box open. But this is the one I just got for this season. Walmart's are quarterly. So, look at that. 5 scrunchies, and these are Wild Primrose, and just so you know, they are the Scooty, if I'm saying that correctly, brand, but 5 of them. And look at the colors, aren't they cute? The little bow, I love that. So yeah, so that right there is worth it. Alright, and the next thing, look at this. Dashing Diva Real Gel Manicure. These are like the, I can't remember the name of the company, but the nail street, something street, that you put on your nails. And as soon as I get rid of these S&S nails that I have on, I love this color. It's my color, as everybody knows. It's my favorite color. And I'm going to try these out. But I really am excited about those. So yeah, so that right there, another thing worth $6. This is a sample of Tanologist face and body drops. And what it is self-tanner in medium. You mix it with your moisturizer and you apply it to your skin. Now, I love self-tanner, but the downside of this is it's clear. It doesn't have a color base. You can see where you're putting it. So when I applied it, and this is user error, nothing against the company, when I applied too much around the outside rim of my face. And yeah, I had a nice orange halo. So yeah, no, don't do that. They also sent this Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening toothpaste, which I've been using. It's quite good. I don't have a full set of whites to show you yet, but yeah, it's really, I mean, it's a nice size sample, as you can see. So yeah, that was good. Another thing, my favorite, excuse me, my allergies. Olay Ultra Rich Hydrating Moisturizer. And it's just a little, you know, it's Regenerist. And as you know, this is expensive. So to get a sample like this, yeah, it's cool. If you guys are wondering, I have hot glue underneath my fingernails from doing a DIY project earlier. So I'm sorry if they look gross. They're not. I just have to peel the glue out from underneath there. Sorry about that. Okay. And lastly, Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. If you can see that. And it plumps, moisturizes, and perfects. I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to use it. This is a wee sample, but normal, you know, normal size. And then they give you a little card that tells you about, which most subscription boxes that have makeup do this, that tells you about what you're getting and the retail value of each. And as you can see, there's some other things that I didn't get but are included in other boxes. So yeah, you get all of this. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 of them were full size and the rest were samples. So I think that's a very good deal for $6.98 plus tax. Okay, next up we have Pura Vida bracelets. And I really like these bracelets. They're my style. This is the one that I got from them. This is the latest one. And it always has their signature little charm on the bracelets. These are handmade. And they now have a subscription club. So each month you'll get 3 bracelets. And you can sign up for just month to month or 6 months or a year, and you save money each one. The month to month is $14.95 plus tax. Shipping is free. The 6 months is, I want to say, $12.95 plus tax. I'm not sure about that one. And the year is $11 plus tax. So obviously cheaper to sign up for the longer run. But you get 3 cool bracelets every month. They also have a jewelry club. Not sure about the cost of that one because I don't subscribe to that one. But this is a really cool one, and it's a very little price, but you know what you're getting. And you know, I've had enough of the beauty box things and you know, that kind of thing. So pretty much I like the Walmart beauty box now. It's quarterly. You know, it gives me samples, and you know, it's a variety of things for your hair, your nails, your face, moisturizer, things like that. This gives me bracelets, and the ear Fleek gives me an earring every month, an earrings set, you know, every month. So yeah, I love those. I also get Fabfitfun, which that is my by far favorite, worth every penny. You know, I subscribe to it yearly, so it's quarterly. I think for a year I paid $172. I do it at tax time when I get my refund, and you know, I love every box that I've gotten. So last but not least, I have started my own subscription box. Well, it's a bag. And every month you'll get something boho, something gypsy, something hippie. This is the things that I'm interested in. So these are my finds. You might get a pair of boho earrings like these. You might get a little bohemian change purse, makeup purse, a regular size purse, depends on what I find. This gives me an excuse to go looking for, you know, new boho things. And you might get some homemade, I shouldn't say homemade, but some handmade soaps. My girlfriend has her own shop, So I buy from her. A couple other friends do make some things, so I get things from them. You might get a mask, you might get some really cool bracelets, like the Pura Vida bracelets or these bracelets. My subscription box is $13 a month right now just for you guys. If you sign up between now and June, it's going to be $19 for everyone else. And I've already sold a few of these and had good feedback from it. So if you want to be a part of it, you'll get at least 5 new items every month. And they'll be in the theme of hippie, gypsy, bohemian. Could be something for your house. Could be like these earrings, something to wear. Could be some spa related. You might get something like these really groovy coasters that I absolutely love. Whatever I can find. So pretty much this is an Amy's Find kind of thing. If I find something that I like, I'm going to share it with you guys. So yeah, I'll have all the links for all of these subscription boxes, any coupon codes for the other ones, and obviously you can sign up for mine. If you can't find the link or you need some questions answered, just feel free to send me a private message and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and until next time, hit that like button if you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you back next time. Peace.